Fuzzy logic.
Hi, Kev. I have a doubt. Can you help me?
Sure. What is it?
What is fuzzy logic?
That's a pretty easy topic. There are two types of logics. One is traditional logic and other one is fuzzy logic. In traditional logic, it deals only with values that has strict boundaries. That is, in traditional logic the values can be represented only as true or false.
Oh,
Whereas in fuzzy logic, it is based on degrees of truth.
degrees of truth. What does it mean?
It means that it can accept not only true or false values, but also partial true and partial false values.
Interesting.
For a question, is your tea hot? In traditional logic, the values for this question would be hot or cold. Hot can be represented by 1 and cold can be represented by 0. But for the same question, in fuzzy logic, it can accept values like minus very hot, neutral, cold and very cold. Values for this will range from 1 to 0.
Yeah, that sounds pretty easy. Can you give me real-time example?
Let's consider a car's automatic braking system. In traditional logic, let's say that if the distance between the car and obstacle is 10 meters, then it is considered as close. If the distance is 100 meters, then it considered as far. The car will be accelerated until the distance between the car and object is 10 meters. Once the distance between the car and obstacle is 10 meters, the brakes will be hit hard. But in fuzzy logic, the range but 10 meters and 100 meters will also be considered. That is, say 10 meters is very close, 30 meters is pretty close, 50 meters is close, 70 is pretty far, 80 is far, 100 is very far. Based on this range, the acceleration of the car will be adjusted and then the brakes will be hit.
Ah, now I get it. Thank you for sharing your knowledge.
It is my pleasure.